So it is the kind of fish called mud skipper fish. They can spend above the ground of their 95% lifetimes, and they can survive out of water 25 seconds maximum, but they don't have any extra gland to take oxygen directly from the air. They have a gills, that's why they can collect oxygen from the water. That's why when they come up on the landscape, they hold water in the mouth. They can 15 seconds, 20 seconds, they can spend above ground. When finish the oxygen, when finish the water from there, again they go to the water side and they try to hold water in the mouth.
Okay. So basically they are living on the land.
Sometimes they can climb on the tree, but not too much, just above the high tidal level.
Okay.
% of their lifetime they can spend above the ground.
Okay. But what is the purpose of climbing the tree? Is it again for food?
No, but try to get safe from the water.
Safe from the water. Fantastic. This is amazing thing, huh?
Yeah, this is it is the evolution period for them. It is evolution period for them as like a toad.
Toad. Correct. Fantastic discussion.
It is the mud skipper now try to climb on the roots on the tree just above the ground.
Okay.
Just above the water level. Sorry, it is
Water level. Yeah. But this species must be in the fish category, right?
Yes, it is the fish.
Okay.
If you want, you can eat them.
Mud skippers.
So have a look, please. Some of the beans are hanging, look like that.
Yes, we can see.
It is how to germinate the plants from here. These are hanging the seeds as the beans, and when they are complete their germination on the mother tree, it will fall down and goes under mud and came out a new plant and then grow. No need to plantation.
Okay.
Have a look, please. The lower part of this seeds is very sharp. If they fall, it can go under the mud as like a arrow.
Oh, okay. It can move into the mud as a arrow.
Yes.
Okay. And then germination starts. Germination starts.
Yes,
fantastic.
Okay,
Bhimraj germination system. Okay.
The crab called horseshoe crab. It is the oldest living fossil. They came in the world 40 million years back.
Oh my God!
Before the dinosaur, but all of the animals that are extinct from the world, from the global, but still they are alive and look like similar. That's why called the oldest living fossil.
Oldest living fossil, no?
In the world.
Okay, fine.
There are 4 type of this type of crab found in the world, and 2 of them we have seen in mud flat.
Okay.